How to remove your hometown on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your hometown on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and here click this one, profile information, and go down until you find this one, places lived, and you will find your hometown. Just click this pen here and delete and click yes. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.